Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw salad like KFC. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need a small head of cabbage, some shredded carrots, and a bit of finely diced onion. For the dressing, gather mayonnaise, sugar, white vinegar, salt, pepper, and milk. Having everything measured out beforehand makes assembly quick and easy. This simple preparation ensures a delicious result. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. The key to KFC-style coleslaw is very finely chopped cabbage. Aim for pieces about 1/8 inch in size. Next, finely shred your carrots. A fine grater works best to achieve that delicate texture. Finally, dice your onion into tiny pieces. Uniformity in size is important for the perfect coleslaw consistency and flavor distribution. It's time to create that signature creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Then, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of pepper, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until the dressing is perfectly smooth and all the sugar has dissolved. This creates the sweet and tangy base. Almost there. Now, pour your creamy dressing over the finely chopped cabbage, carrots, and onion mixture. Gently stir everything together, ensuring every piece of vegetable is thoroughly coated with that delicious dressing. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, giving you that authentic KFC taste. Don't forget to check the description for a great book about money and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.